This content has been deemed inappropriate for children under 13. Viewer discretion is advised. This is for adults only. Adult collectibles. What's up, you guys? It is ZacJacDan back with another Every video. This time we're talking about Every Saban's Power Rangers from Hasbro, the Lightning Collection. So this video is an update from the last video, adding the announcements from the Hasbro Pulse Fan First Day Friday that came out in May of 2020 for the Power Rangers Lightning Collection. And we'll get to that later on here in the video. So Wave 1 came out April 2019, consisted of 4 figures. We had the Mighty Morphin White Ranger. It's really cool because each one of these actually come with the helmet and the head and all their weapons. Also they come with alternate hands as well. You also had Mighty Morphin Lord Zedd. You had SPD Shadow Ranger. I love this alternate head with the dragon or dog looking face that it has. You had the Dino Charge Red Ranger. So then Wave 2 released August 2019. Again, we got 4 more figures. Really concerned that when Hasbro took over from Bandai that they didn't put any kind of Build-A-Figure pieces or build a Megazord piece or anything like that in these boxes. Not sure why they did that. They should have tried to outdo what Bandai had done. But in this Wave 2, you had the Mighty Morphin Pink Ranger with her bow. You had the Last Galaxy Magna Defender. The Beast Morphers Red Ranger. And you had the Beast Morphers Gold Ranger. So Wave 3 was supposed to be released December 2019, but came out early, came out October 2019. Again, consisted of 4 figures. We had the Mighty Morphin Red Ranger. You have the Dino Charge Gold Ranger. You have the Beast Morphers Blue Ranger. You had the Mighty Morphin Lord Draken. Forgive me if I didn't pronounce that right. Wave 4 was supposed to come out in March 2020, but it actually released early, and you can go to Hasbro Pulse right now and pre-order it. Again, 4 figures. Mighty Morphin Yellow Ranger. Zeo Blue Ranger. SPD Red Ranger. Beast Morphers Cybervillian Blaze. So we know what Wave 5 is going to consist of. Coming out June 2020, we had the Mighty Morphin Blue Ranger, Zeo Gold Ranger, Time Force Red Ranger, and Ranger Slayer. And they just showed us these figures now at 2020 Toy Fair, so here they come. So here's the Time Force Red Ranger. You see the face sculpt technology they have, the weapons that he comes with. Mighty Morphin Blue Ranger with his face with the glasses. Zeo Gold Ranger, so this is our second time getting him. This time we got the face sculpt technology that comes with him. First time he was an SDCC exclusive. And then the Mighty Morphin Ranger Slayer. Comes with their bow and arrows. Pretty cool looking. So we actually have gotten some exclusives as well. In August 2019, Hasbro Pulse gave us the Mighty Morphin Red Rangers SDCC box set. We also got from some online retailers several box sets, and then from GameStop you got Goldar and Psycho Blue. And then Walgreens, you got a Mighty Morphin Black Ranger with a dragon shield. So I'll get into those here in a second. So here is the SDCC. Here's one of the online retailer exclusives. Gave you the Fighting Spirit Green Ranger and the Mighty Morphin Putty. Here's that GameStop exclusive Mighty Morphin Goldar. Another online exclusive, the Lost Galaxy Red Ranger and the In-Space Psycho Red Ranger. Another GameStop exclusive is the In-Space Psycho Blue Ranger. And then the Walgreens exclusive Dragon Shield Black Ranger. So I'm not sure about you guys, but here is the 25th wedding anniversary of Lord Zedd and Rita. This is going to be a GameStop exclusive 2-pack. And a lot of you guys already got Lord Zedd. Some of you guys could never find him. So maybe that would be an exciting pickup for you guys. $50 for the 2-pack at GameStop. This is a first soft goods that we've seen in this line. So let me know what y'all think about how Rita looks. I'm not going to give my opinion unless you comment, but I do have an opinion. So first announcement is our third Psycho In-Space Ranger. This is the Green Ranger. It is $19.99, available July 15th, 2020. And this will be a Hasbro Pulse exclusive, so you better get out there and do a pre-order on it if you want to get this guy. Also announced during the Fan First Friday is the Putty 2-pack, which is $29.99. Really good price for a 2-pack. Coming out in August 2020. Has new attachments on it, more colorful to them. Get you an army building for the Putty Patrol. There's the back of the box. Also a 2-pack is the Mighty Morphin Zordon and Alpha 5. Alpha 5 comes with his little bear, and Zordon lights up with that little button on the front. And again, $29.99 for 2-pack. Comes out in August. And this will be a Walmart exclusive. And also $49.99 for this, coming out in August. The Power Morpher with light up effects, put in different coins, lights up different colors. Walmart exclusive, I said, I believe. So we also, in this line, October 2019, got the Mighty Morphin White Ranger replica helmet. Also, there is a reveal of the Mighty Morphin Dragon Dagger that you can get, full-size replica. So go back and check out my other videos showing every Power Rangers Lightning Collection. Check out the card above. And they all are in package. So here is my most wanted list or wish list for the Power Rangers Lightning Collection. I think I'd love to see some villains like Lothar from Ninja Storm, Rito Revolto from Mighty Morphin, Mesogod from Dino Thunder, Dark Spectre from In Space, Turkina from Lost Galaxy, or Omni the Magnificent from SPD. What you guys think? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this Power Rangers video. Leave any kind of comments. Hit that notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out my other every videos. More Power Rangers will be coming soon. And I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. You can find all the photos that you want of these videos.